Yo guys, so I'm just gonna make a short little video on how to fix the Xbox capture glitch. I just recorded a video for YouTube, and when I finished, actually won the challenge or whatever, I realized that it didn't record. So it only recorded 18 seconds. I wanted 10 minutes of game footage. So as you can see, I only got 15 seconds, 35 seconds. So on this Xbox, see, this is basically all I got, 0 seconds. So yeah, nice. So basically I'm just gonna show what we can do to fix that, because I already cleared everything and it's still not working, so yeah. Okay, so basically we want to power cycle the Xbox down. So what you want to do is go to your Xbox, then you hold this in until it switches off. There you see, it is off. And then you want to go to your cables. And then you just want to plug out everything you have. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the Xbox here. Everything plugged out. So now if I restart it, it should be fixed. So yeah. Okay, so after you left it just unplugged for about 2 minutes, you can go ahead, switch it on, make sure everything's nice and in place, and then it will reboot automatically, and basically it just resets everything. So basically the same you would do to your phone. So this, and then when you're in, it's supposed to work. Okay, so once you're back in your Xbox, you can go ahead and try again, see if it works. If it doesn't work, let me know in the comments, but this should work. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and if it helped, please let me know. Thanks for watching.